Hey, hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share this video with your family and friends. Hey guys, welcome to How-to-ans. Today we are going to letting you know something about epson printers. Yes, we are going to telling you something about epson color printers. If you are getting any error in epson printer, like your colors are not well matched, or may any color don't print on your prints, and you see that your cartridges are full of the color, as we are going to show you on screen. When you see that your colors are full, your cartridges are full, and when you print you see any error, like you're not able to print any color like red, green, blue, anything else, and you feel that my printer is damaged. Don't worry, it's not damaged. You have to just press. We are going to show you this rectangle, this triangle and a red color button with a circle. Press and hold it for a 8 to 10 seconds and left the button. After that, let the printer work their oven on electricity on, and after 30 minutes you will be able to print, and you will find that every color, every print is coming very good. If you not able to do, then don't forget to comment us in the link description below. Hope you will be able to solve this problem of your epson printer of color matching or any color not printing on your printer. Hold that button for a few seconds and let it go. Share this video with Facebook, WhatsApp and so on, and subscribe our channel and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep sharing, keep loving.